guys, it's the A and J channel here, and sorry, but I'm going to give you an ASMR of my, hold on, let me get the slime, hold on, it's so far, but I have to get your slime. Okay, so here it is, my green apple pina colada slime. And it has like sparkles on the rim of it. But I'm gonna take it out right now and show you it. It's like jiggly slime. I'm gonna show you it like. I'm just gonna have it like this, and I'm gonna show you. And now it's just gonna be an ASMR of it. Comment down below in the comment section what slime should I make next. So I'm gonna just bring this to a next surface, because this surface is very, very sticky. So I'll bring this slime to the next surface. On my bucket. That's so. Sorry if I got you not seeing the slime, but yeah. And this is my Tide bucket. Sorry, I got you out of focus again, but I just knocked down my borax solution. But yeah, like and subscribe. This video has no sponsor to it. If you're gonna comment down below in the comment section, this video has no sponsors of no slime video. No slime companies or incorporations, but I hope they could sponsor us one day on this slime video. And we'll be making vlogs on this channel. We're doing challenges, me and my best friend on this channel. We'll be doing slime videos like I'm doing right now, and then yeah. We'll be doing many stuff. We'll do vlogs, challenges, live videos like this with pigments, and many different stuff. Reaction videos. If you could ever do a reaction video, to our subscribers musically. We only have 4 subscribers so far, but get the subscribers up to 60, 50, no, 30 subscribers to 60 subscribers. Like and subscribe, comment in the comment section, and now I will just put my outro. So yeah, peace.